So they are the makers of wirings for tractors and motorcycles. So I just switch the camera and then we'll see their products and see how they are working, how they are contributing in development of Pakistan for increase in imports and increase in exports specifically. So look here, this is a switch off tractor, and that is a flusher and tractor. This is given to Miller tractors, right?
Yes.
So please introduce yourselves. He is the CEO of the organization.
Yes, thank you very much. I am Naveed Ahmed, Chief Executive of PAk Auto Engineering. We have worked here for almost 18 years, and we are working for motorcycle tractor industry. And we are sample of quality actually, and we are really proud of that. We are Pakistani, and we are working hard for the nation, and we are really making quality products, and we are hopeful that Pakistan will grow and we will grow together. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Naveed Saab. So Naveed Saab is the CEO of the organization. He just said that he's at his picture, so elegant, so elegant. So this is all his profile. So he has been working, his company has been working with wirings of the tractors and switches for the last 18 years, and they have developed a big chain of products here. So I was talking about the tractor, and where we have Mr. Nasir Ahmed Saab. He is the main guy here, and he told me that this is a switch of the tractor, and it works like a flasher. So in one direction it is the low light maybe, and the other side it's the high beam. Okay, and then we have the complete wiring for the Miller tractor. So these wires, when you are watching the slogan, you know, the signatory brand of Pakistan Miller tractors, and you want to know who is making the wires, so this is PAk Auto Engineering. PAk Auto Engineering are the makers of this wiring. And in addition to that, we have some other product line as well. If we move here, we see that they have the horns. These are again used in tractors, I think. Yes, these are very big one. So because of this, you know, you can listen to a tractor coming. Otherwise, it's okay. This is another wire plus switch, so it's a connector. I can see this. Okay, it's a headlight wire. And what is this? Okay, so they are making fuel gauges as well. This is again for the tractor? Okay, this is again for the tractor. And you can see it has some electronic circuits based on it. It's switching, and it can gauge the level of oil in the fuel tank. And I can use it for my drones as well, because I'm making drones. And the drones, normally you don't know what is the level of the spray, or because they use it for agricultural spraying. So I can use it for my drones as well. And then we have there the locks. The side locks of the fuel tank. Oh, so these are the ignition switches. And we have fuel tank lock here. Do we have? No. Okay, so I highly recommend it. I used to sell it in my supply chain company. The locks based, the key based fuel locks. So you can put
also fuel gauge, like fuel sending unit.
No, that is right, but it doesn't has the key. So normally fuel is these days very expensive. What is 250 rupees per liter, and in the coming days it will be sold like gold.
Yes.
So when the fuel prices are going high, fuel is becoming very expensive. So people can steal fuel from the standing motorcycles. So you can add keys there, and the fuel in the fuel here in the fuel regulators.
Yes.
And you can, you know, save the fuel. Okay, I used to have that in Karachi, because in Karachi people steal the fuel. And then we have the grip. This is the grip of the motorcycle. Which is the motorcycle which is using this?
Using left turn and right turn.
No, which motorcycle? Which company?
70 motorcycle.
It's Honda.
Honda.
Okay, so this is a grip assembly for the Honda motorcycle. So they are, you know, guys, a very good company that is giving there to the client. These are the vendors of the big OEMs. Okay, so they are producing quality products here, and also they offer internships to students. I was just talking to them, and then they have a big list of
cable making process.
Okay, so this is extrusion, and they are having different cores, 3 core. I can see 3 core.
Wire and others Miller tractor wire.
And how much percentage of copper is there?
99.9.
Okay, why don't they say 100%? Why just 99.9? What about the remaining 0.1%?
Because it's the specification required.
Okay. Because I haven't seen anybody saying 100% copper. They say 99.9%. So 0.1%, there is something fishy about that. Okay, so we have this another list of wires. They are different. Okay, so we are back again. That's how I'm finishing with the PAk Auto Engineering, and Nasisa, for your nice gesture where you approached me and you said that you are doing a lot for the Pakistan, and we hope that we all have to work together to make Pakistan more progress. Thank you, Naveed Saab. Thank you, Naseer Saab. Allah Hafiz.